Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Bunya from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw the top of her head with an arch curve line across. And at the ending point on the left, I'm gonna draw a small rectangular shape at that corner. And I'm gonna mirror the same rectangular shape on the right side. At the outer corner of that rectangular shape on the right, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line outwards to the right. Same is gonna turn downwards with a curved line at that corner. Now above her head, I'm gonna draw her bunny ear with curved line upwards on the right, slightly to the right. Same is gonna turn downwards on the right corner. Line downwards, and same is gonna turn diagonally down to the right side of her head. And inside of the ear, I'm gonna trace the same outline along the edge. For the left bunny ear, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line upwards, and halfway up, I'm gonna turn it sideways to the left and downwards. Turn it downwards at that outer corner, turn it diagonally to the right and downwards, sharp turn diagonally up to the right, and same is gonna turn upwards, same is gonna turn diagonally to the right and downwards at that point. Below that ear, I'm gonna draw the left side of her head with curved line downwards, right there. And from the ending point below, slightly to the left, I'm going to draw the top of her collar with curved line across and extend it outwards to the right. Turn it downwards on the left corner and slightly to the right, and turn it downwards on the right corner, slightly to the left. Now above the collar to the left, inside of her hoodie, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards, across to the right at the upper corner right there, and turn it back downwards on the right side of her head. Above that shape in the middle point, I'm going to draw the nose of the bunny with a triangular shape in the middle point right there, a line downwards below that in the middle point. Below that, I'm going to draw her hairline with curved line across. Same is gonna turn to the right and turn it downwards to the side of her head. On the left side, same is gonna turn downwards, curl it to the left, sharp turn back upwards on the left corner with curved line, and curl it slightly to the right. Sharp turn diagonally down to the left on the side of her face right there. Now below her hairline, I'm going to draw her eyebrow off center to the left, a short line downwards right there. Turn it diagonally up to the left, curved line across to the left and slightly downwards. Repeat the same set of line for the upper line of her eyebrow right there. And below the eyebrow, I'm going to draw her eye from the inner corner, a short curved line upwards, turn it diagonally up to the left, turn it diagonally down at the outer corner of her eye, and curl it upwards at the outer corner of her eye right here. For the lower line of her eye, I'm going to take the same point at the inner corner and draw a curved line out to the left. Turn it slightly down and turn it diagonally up at the outer corner of her eye. Inside of the eye, I'm going to draw a circular shape in the middle point for her pupil, and a black dot in the middle of that circle. At the inner corner of her eye, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally downwards to the middle point. And I'm gonna mirror the same shape of the eyebrow and the eye on the right side of her face. On the right side of her collar, I'm going to draw a strap with curved line diagonally across to the left and downwards. And at the side of her collar, I'm going to draw a small arch curved line above that ending point. Turn it diagonally down to the right, same as could turn downwards, and copy that same set of curved line on the left ending point. At the ending point below, I'm going to draw an oval shape across at that corner, and below that, continue the line from the top downwards on both the left and right, and a line across at the ending point below. I'm going to mirror the same set of shape on the left side and shorter. Continue the line of the strap diagonally downwards to the left on the other side of the string, right there. Turn it diagonally across to the right and slightly downwards. Continue that curved line across on the other side of the string. Turn it diagonally up to the right to her shoulder, across to the left and diagonally upwards. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a similar diagonal line in the middle point right there. And below the strap on the right corner, I'm going to draw a short line out to the right, turn it diagonally down to the left, and on the right side of that, a short diagonal line at that corner. Mirror the same set of line on the right side of the strap right there. And below the ending point, I'm going to draw a line across from the left diagonally to the right and slightly downwards. Turn it diagonally down to the left on both sides. Extend it all the way to the side of her outfit on the left. Short line downwards at the upper corner. And for the lower line, I'm gonna extend it out diagonally to the left as well. Short line upwards at the ending point on the left. At the ending point right there, slightly to the left, diagonal curved line upwards to the right at that corner. And at the upper point, I'm going to draw a similar diagonal line at that point. Turn it downwards at the ending point on the right, diagonally to the right, and turn it downwards at the ending point on the left right there. Inside of that shape, from the top left corner, curved line downwards diagonally to the left, turn it down to the right and sideways to the right. Below that set of shape, I'm going to draw a line diagonally across at the lower point to the left right there. Turn it downwards, turn it diagonally across back to the right and upwards, all the way to the upper corner. Above the strap on the left, I'm going to draw her sleeve with curved line upwards at that corner. Same as could turn diagonally across to the right and slightly upwards. Below the strap on the right, I'm going to draw the right sleeve with a curved line downwards. Turn it slightly to the left and to her waist, and turn it back outwards below her waist. Curved line downwards and slightly flare it out, same as it turn to the middle point. Below the strap on the left, I'm gonna mirror the same set of line at this lower point. And from the ending point on the left, curved line across all the way to the ending point on the right. And below her outfit on the left, I'm going to draw a pouch on her thigh with a rectangular shape, and I'm going to leave a gap on the left corner right there, and from the upper point of that gap, flare it out slightly to the left, across to the right at that corner, curved line upwards, across to the right. Above the pouch on the right, I'm going to draw a line downwards below her outfit, and I'm going to draw a similar line downwards on the right side. curved line across from the ending point on the left all the way to the right. Below the outfit, I'm going to draw the inner line of her leg with curved line downwards and slightly to the left and to her knee. And for the outer line of that leg, I'm going to draw a similar curved line downwards and turn it inwards to her knee. Below the knee, another curved line downwards and flare it slightly out. And for the inner line as well. Below that ending point, I'm going to draw her boots from the left corner, curved line across to the middle point and slightly downwards. Semicircle turn at the side right there, downwards. At the outer corner of that set of line, from the side of her leg, a short line out that corner, turn it downwards and mirror the same set of shape on the right side of her boots right here. In the middle of that shape, I'm going to draw two lines across at that corner. Below that, I'm going to draw a small circular shape, and at the side of that circular shape, I'm going to draw a droopy teardrop shape on the left corner right there. And inside of that, I'm going to trace the outline along the edge right there. Mirror that same set of line on the right side of her boots. Continue the line of her boots at the sides downwards on both the left and right, and turn it slightly inwards to her ankle point. Now below the ankle point on the right, I'm going to extend it downwards and to the base. Turn it sideways to the left. A short line upwards at that corner. Sharp turn diagonally down to the left. Curved line across to the left. Turn it upwards on the left corner. Semicircle turn diagonally up to the right and to her ankle point, and semicircle turn upwards at that corner. Inside of her boots, from the top, I'm going to draw crisscross knots in the middle point. And below that crisscross knots, I'm going to draw a circular shape at that corner. And from the left side of her foot, arch curve line to the right at that point. Turn it downwards and U curve line to the right. An arch curve line on the right side. Turn it downwards and semicircle turn to the right. At the front tip of the shoe, I'm going to draw a small circular shape at that corner. I'm going to mirror the same shape of her leg on the right side. On her left thigh, on the right side of her pouch, I'm going to draw a strap with curved line across and another curved line across below that for the lower line of the strap. At the ending point on the right, I'm going to draw a square shape inside of that square shape, I'm going to draw an X symbol. Above that, I'm going to draw a line upwards on the left corner and a line upwards on the right corner right there. Continue the line of a strap at the inner corner on the right side with curved line across at the upper point and another one at the lower point. Now for her left arm, on the left side of her sleeve, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally down to the left, turn it downwards, and at the outer corner of that, diagonal line out to the left and downwards, flare it out on her elbow point, and seams could turn downwards, turn it to the right at the lower point. From that ending point, slightly below, curved line diagonally up to the right at that corner, turn it downwards at the inner corner of her glove, diagonally to the right, arch curved line to the right, and a line across to the side of her outfit. For the outer line of the glove, a diagonal line downwards and inwards to her wrist, flare it back outwards and down, seams could turn to the right and upwards. For the inner line of her upper arm, I'm going to draw from the side of her sleeve at the lower point, curved line outwards to the left. Below that, diagonal line across to the left and downwards. Mirror the same shape of the arm on the right side. Now in the middle of the collar, I'm going to draw off center to the left a line downwards and another line downwards on the right corner. A short line across at the ending point below. Below the upper line of her collar, from the left, I'm going to draw a curved line across all the way to the right. And on her tummy, I'm going to draw a line across in the middle point right there. Turn it downwards and slightly out on the right. Turn it diagonally out, turn it downwards at that corner. Mirror that same set of line on the left side. And I'm gonna trace the same set of line at this lower point along the edge. At the side of her head on the left, I'm going to draw a U curved line at that corner, turn it diagonally up to the side. Mirror that same set of line on the right side of her head. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!